However, it's a little bit more tolerable in smaller doses, right? So essentially, I intended to give you a basic overview of business development concepts as they're related to these 5 major strategies. At the beginning of today's workshop, I mentioned that we've broken down the 4 ways into the 4 series. So next week, we're going to cover the second way, which is increase the number of times a customer comes back. And I hope that you guys are all able to attend that. So workshop number 2 is scheduled for Tuesday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. And we can use the same link as today, and we will send out a reminder with the link attached just in case you need it. So with that, we're going to hit Q&A real quick. I just wanted to share a little bit real quick about what we do. So I opened Integrity in 2011. I've been an accountant for close to 30 years. I've been doing this since I was 17 years old, so I wasn't even graduated yet. I just kind of loved it, and I started out small doing just books and stuff, and decided I wanted to do a little bit more than that. I just felt like I could give a lot more back, so I put myself through school, and now we focus on profitability and growth. So we serve the construction industry. We help contractors grow their business, make intelligent business decisions, reduce their taxes, and increase profits. And how we do that is we provide strategic insight on how to best grow the business. The way that we move into that is first we assess the gaps in the business's finances and processes. Then we're able to chart a course for profit growth, and then engineer your cash flow for predictable and sustainable growth. So obviously that's high level, but that is kind of in a nutshell, what we do here. And the Clarity, Confidence, Profitability, and Operations is the program that we have, which here's like a little picture of it right here. So if you're looking for clarity, confidence, and your path forward to take your business to the next level, if you're structured operations and processes, if you're looking for those that give you foundation necessary to support that growth and to maximize your profits, please feel free to reach out to me. You'll find me on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and you can also go to the link here that I've provided if you'd like to just talk to me. I don't charge for that, so don't be afraid of me billing you or anything like that. That's not the deal. I just like having conversations with people and kind of seeing where they're at. So I just wanted to share that with you. And so let's open it up to Q&A. Does anybody have any questions on what we've talked about today?
I had plenty, but I forgot them all. I know one of them was that, I know, I want to ask, but I don't want to interrupt you. So you said that you have to find a way to tell your customer that you do something special. You sort of have to separate yourself from the rest of the people that are offering the same or similar services. Mm-hmm. And I just wanted to ask that can change with time. I mean, a small business may offer exceptional customer service, and as something grows, you may have to alter that strategy. Isn't that correct?
Yeah, I mean, it can change.